If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To access the general report settings in QuickBooks Online, if customizing a report using the Classic view, open the Customize Report pane and expand the General section if needed. Alternatively, to access the general report settings in QuickBooks Online if customizing a report using the Modern view, click the General Options button to show the General Options pane. The general report settings change depending on the report you are customizing. However, many of these settings are shared by many reports. This lesson reviews common general report settings in QuickBooks Online. If using the Classic view, to change the date range of data shown in the report, select a choice from the Report Period dropdown to select from common date ranges. Alternatively, to select a specific start date and an end date range for reports that use a date range, select choices from the two calendar drop-down fields separated by the word "to." Alternatively, to select a single date as of which to show the data for reports that show data as of a date, select a date from the single calendar drop-down following the words "as of." If using the Modern view, Report Date selection doesn't appear in the general options at all, and you instead set it within the Report Customization section at the top of the report. To change the accounting method used within reports that show data based on an accounting method if using the Classic view, select either the Cash or Accrual option button for the accounting method setting. This only changes the report data and has no bearing on your data recorded in QuickBooks Online or your accounting method used for tax purposes. If using the Modern view, the accounting method selection doesn't appear in the general options at all, and you instead set it within the Common Report Options section at the top of the report. To choose how numbers appear in the report in both the Classic view and Modern view, check or uncheck the desired checkboxes in the Number Format section to enable or disable each one. The checkbox choices include Divide by 1000, Without Cents, or Round Amounts to the nearest whole currency amount, and Accept Zero Amount or Don't Show Zero Amounts. To choose how to show negative number values in the report, select a choice from the Negative Numbers dropdown. To show negative numbers in red, check the Show in Red checkbox. If customizing a report using the Modern view, then the General Options pane may also show expandable and collapsible sections for Show Non-Zero or Active, Aging, Header, and Footer depending on the report. These appeared as different sections in the Customize Report pane in the Classic view, and we'll discuss them as they come up in that context over the next several lessons. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.